Peace, YouTube. This is Sean Young, also known as Supreme, with another episode of Adventures in Wholesaling. Today, I'm taking you guys with me on a house viewing of a potential lease purchase that I just found off of Craigslist, actually. So I'm headed right now to meet with the homeowner and to take a look at the property.
In 1,000 feet, turn right on Rosewood Mill Court.
Give me one quick second here. I'm trying to drive and YouTube at the same time. Not recommended. Very dangerous, folks, so do not do that out there at home. I'm a trained professional. Just kidding. But check this out. This deal is...
turn right on Rosewood Mill Court.
Then
turn right on Rosenelf Way.
I'm just out here getting on it because, you know, the early bird gets the worm, so you got to kind of strike when the iron's hot. And this is somebody who just put this ad out today. They said that they're open to do a lease purchase. I actually just sent them a text message that said, are you open to leasing your home to me for a year or two and then purchasing at the end?
Turn right on Rosenelf Way.
So we will
on
see
Pixie
what they
Rose
say.
Lane.
I'm going to keep you guys on with me while I do this. Well, actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back for a second video, because I think I'm going to have to stop this just so I can find the address of where I'm going. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have to stop this so I can find the address.
Turn left on
going.
Pixie Rose Lane.
Oh, well, maybe I won't. Maybe I won't. I'm hearing it pretty good. Well, let's see, guys. Hopefully, I can pull up to the house with my navigation.
In 900
my
feet,
camera on.
you'll arrive. Your destination will be on your right.
Easy enough. Destination will be on the right. Let's see. This is a house that is being rented for $1,095. Let's see here. Yeah, $1,095, and I'm gonna see how much I can get the purchase price for.
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
And see if I can get this knocked down just a tad bit more. All right, I am going to keep you guys on with me. I have arrived at the home. I do not see a car or anything out there. So maybe the owners have not arrived yet. Looks like it's a nice little cul-de-sac. I'm going to park here, and I'm going to show you the house, actually. Just so you can get an example of what it looks like. All right. Let me pause here for a second and I will come back, and we'll be back. On today's episode, I'm going to be talking a little bit about a way that I found this deal that, well, it's not a deal yet, it's a lead. But what I want to let you know is how leads turn into deals, and just a little creative strategy that I picked up on finding leads that's inexpensive. So what I did was I went on Craigslist and I went to the for rent section and pulled up all the homes that were for rent, and I sent this particular home a text message that said, hey, I see your home is here available for rent. Would you be open to leasing it to me for a year or two and then purchasing, or is that not something you'd be interested in? And the owner responded back and said that they would be interested. So I'm actually here at the home now to get a look inside and you know, see if this would be a potential deal for me from a perspective of a rent's perspective. It would make sense, because I know I could charge a little bit more than what the rents are actually going for as being advertised on this home, and I know that I can make some money just putting a tenant in the home through my lease option program, as well as help the homeowner out by filling a vacancy. So what I would like to do is take a little break here, and the next time that I check in with you guys is going to be inside of the home. But let me show you the home before I turn it off now. I'm in my car just waiting to hear from the homeowner, or waiting to see if they're actually going to meet me here. So let me show you the house now. One moment. As you see, guys, it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, pretty nice sized house, in a pretty, average neighborhood, I would say. A pretty average neighborhood, and I think I wouldn't have any problem at all finding a tenant buyer for this home, and helping everybody make this a win-win situation for everybody involved. So next time I check in with you guys, I'm going to be in the home, or I'm actually going to let you know a little bit more how it went when I went into the home, and if I actually decided to pick it up as a deal, or if I was able to pick it up as a deal, should I say, after speaking with the homeowner and explaining how the lease option program works. All right, guys, this again has been Sean Young, also known as Supreme. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this with all your friends. Help me, help you, help us all. Peace. It's okay. Yeah.
With this crown on my head, I'm seated on the throne. The top is so alone. Only thing that keeps me going is I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me. I know my city love me.